To ensure the safety and long shelf life of pharma products so that patients can use medicines without them losing their effectiveness, the packaging of these products plays a key role. At Alutech Packaging, we believe that the foundation of effective healthcare begins with exceptional packaging. Our journey in the pharmaceutical packaging industry providing high-quality packaging solutions is fueled by a passion for innovation, safety, and sustainability. Founded on the principles of quality and reliability, Alutech combines cutting-edge technology with years of industry expertise spearheaded by two visionary and talented entrepreneurs. Under their able and astute leadership, we understand the unique challenges faced by the pharmaceutical sector and strive to deliver solutions that meet stringent regulatory standards while enhancing product appeal and accessibility. Our comprehensive range of packaging materials is designed to meet the diverse needs of our clients. We offer customizable options that elevate your brand and support efficient supply chains. Growing at the rapid pace, we have achieved a lot of milestones and set up two sprawling manufacturing units located at industrial town of Bahadurgarh, Haryana and Baddi, Himachal Pradesh. Our Bahadurgarh plant is spread over 100,000 square feet area, having the capacity of 15,000 metric ton to cover all foil-related products for single doses form. This plant, equipped with latest technology and machines, is capable to produce aluminum-based pharmaceutical packaging, plain and printed materials. Our Unit 2 plant located at Baddi is spread over 700,000 square feet area, having installed capacity 30,000 metric ton per annum. This plant is dedicated for pharmaceuticals primary packaging material and regular laminates with the inclusion of PVC 60 mic to 500 mics. Our manufacturing process is a blend of advanced technology and meticulous craftsmanship. We utilize state-of-the-art machinery and techniques to create a wide array of packaging solutions that cater to the specific needs of the pharmaceutical sector. In the world of pharmaceuticals, quality is non-negotiable. Our products undergo rigorous testing and adhere to strict regulatory guidelines to ensure compliance with international standards. Our dedicated team of experts is committed to continuous improvement, utilizing quality management systems that keep us at the forefront of the industry. We take pride in our ability to maintain consistency and reliability in every batch we produce. Collaboration is key to our success. We work closely with our clients to understand their specific needs and develop innovative solutions that drive results. Our team of experts is passionate about the pharmaceutical industry and is committed to providing outstanding service and support at every stage of the manufacturing process. We understand that packaging doesn't just serve a functional purpose, it also has a significant impact on our environment. That's why sustainability is at the heart of our manufacturing philosophy. We actively seek out eco-friendly materials and implement sustainable practices to reduce our carbon footprint. As the healthcare landscape continues to evolve, so do we. Join us on our journey as we continue to redefine pharmaceutical packaging, ensuring that every product reaches patients safely and efficiently.